guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela. Hey girl, hey. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my no makeup routine. These are the kind of days that I maybe just want to look a little bit more put together, look beautiful, but still very, very natural. And so this is kind of the look that I go for. Very simple, elegant vibe with a little highlight for that natural, beautiful glow. So if you're interested to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on going. Alright, so first off, we're going to start with foundation. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Golden Beige. And then I'm also going to use this e.l.f. foundation in Alabaster. This is more like my summer shade, but I'm pretty pale right now, so this is probably going to match me better. But we're going to mix the two and hopefully come up with my actual shade. I just need to get a new color of this Wet n Wild one because I love it so much, but I don't feel like going to Walmart, so. Alright, we'll dab that one. Wow, that one's pretty pale. Wow. Alright. And I'm going to use a wet beauty blender. I got this one off of Wish, so this is definitely not a real one. But, I mean, it does the job, so. Do y'all see that? I feel like, I don't know if it's because my lights are so bright, but I feel like this foundation is giving me like a great cast. So I'm not feeling that. But do you see it on my forehead? I'm not liking that. I'm not liking that at all. I'm just going to try to use a brush to hopefully correct that a little bit. Alright, so foundation is done. I don't do too much when I'm going for a natural look, just because I do have acne scars and pimples, but I appreciate my beauty and that's okay. If that does show through, I'm not like everything has to be covered up right now. That doesn't really bother me. So, moving on. Next, I'm going to go ahead and powder my base. Alright, so I'm using the Airspun loose face powder. That is what I'm going to be using today. And I'm just going to wipe that all over my face. I do have combo skin, so I don't like to bake because that tends to make my dry spots and have my, my skin clinging on for dear life. So that's why I do not bake. Plus, I'm lazy. Let's be honest. I'm low-key pretty lazy, but that's okay. It's cool. Alright, so next up, I'm going to go ahead and do my blush real quick, since I have it right here in front of me. This is the Tarte Amazon Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party. This is one of their birthday gifts from 2017. It's like a little mini size. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Just a little bit of color so I can bring some of this color back into my face. It gives like a nice pretty little flush, which is what I like. Alright, so next up I'm going to use the, oh no, did I run out? Okay, I'm going to use the e.l.f. contouring blush and bronzer palette. This has definitely been used. I love this stuff. So I'm going to just dab into that bronzer color. I'm just going to give my face some color. I tend to get super, super pale in the wintertime, so I basically look like a ghost. So, just going to try to fix that. It's okay. Go ahead and fix that real quick. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera. Hopefully you can see that, but this eye is very like spidery. It does give you a lot of volume, so I'll give you that, but I don't know how I feel about that mascara, but we'll see how it goes. Maybe it won't be terrible. Maybe not. Alright, so I'm going to just dip back into this like crease color shade that we use, and then I'm just going to put it in my bottom area, the bottom lash line, just to connect the two so it doesn't look so off. Alright, that is it. So I will be back with my hair done and I'll show you the completed look. Alright, so for the finale, we're just going to go ahead and add some highlight. I just threw my hair in a quick bun because I need to wash it whenever I get to it. But we're actually going to take this lighter shade, this called Summer. This is the Anastasia Glow Kit that I picked up in Sun Dipped. So we're going to take Summer. And we're just going to dab that on our cheeks. Ooh, okay. Ooh, look at that light though. Alright, so that is done, and then the final step, I'm going to use this matte color, and Velvet Teddy is one of their mini ones. And that's what that looks like. It's like my perfect nude color. I love this. Alright, and then the final step is I'll either leave it like this or I'll actually throw on a gloss over it, which this is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Best gloss ever. Do that. And let me get up close so you guys can see the final look of what we created today. Alright guys, that is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. Alright guys, bye!